Our great viewers, let's check this example again. The example says simplify without using tables or calculator 2 plus root 96 minus 4 into root 6 minus 1 all square, and express your answer in the form of m plus n root 6, where m and n are real numbers. All right. I know such questions sometimes for those writing examination, it looks quite challenging. But listen up and pay attention. I'm going to break it down for you, okay? So just listen very well. You understand it. It's a very simple one. So we go like this. 2 plus root 96 minus 4 root 6 minus 1 all square. So the first thing you do is to simplify this 96 and expand this square. Okay? So you have equal to 2 plus 96. They say we should work it so that at the end you have root 6. So that means we are working with the surd root 6. Alright, so you are going to simplify this root 96 in terms of what? Root 6. It can be simplified in terms of root 2, but we are dealing with root 6. So be careful so that you don't go to the lowest term, all right? So if you want to go, you can easily go. Let's see how you do it. You want to use the table form, 96. You say 2 can go. You have what? 48. 2 can go. You have 24. 2 can go. We have 8, 2 into 24, 12. 2 into 12, you have what? 6. Okay, let me stop here. I've gotten the 6 that I'm looking for now. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 16. So 16 times, so I have 16 times 6 to give me what? 96. So I have minus, so expand this 4. So root 6 minus 1, root 6 minus 1, so expand that. So we have here 2 plus root 16 is 4. So 4 root 6, because 6 has no perfect square root. So we have minus 4. So this one expand this. Root 6 times root 6 will give us root 36. That is what? That is 6, okay? Root 36 is 6. So root 6 times 1 will have minus root 6. Minus 1 times will have minus root 6. Minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1. All right. So we progress. So we have 2 plus 4 root 6 minus 4. So we go here. Minus 6 plus 1, let me put that first, 7. Minus root 6 minus root 6 will give us minus 2 root what? 6, okay? Close the bracket. So we move. So 2 plus 4 root 6 minus 4 times 7 will give me minus 28. Minus 4 times minus 2 will give me plus 8 root 6. All right. So at this junction, separate the root 6 and the numbers. So we have 2 minus 28. We have minus 26. So here now, what is common? So we have plus 4 is common to them. We also have root 6 is also common. So when you take away 4, root 6 from here, you are left with what? 1. Root 6, when it's out of this place, you have what? 1 left. So when you take 4 root 6 out here, you are left with what? 2. Okay. So we have minus 26 plus, so this one now is going to give you 4 root what? 6 into 3. So finalize it now, you have 26 plus 3 times 4, 12. Root 6. So this is your final expression. Thank you. See you in the next video. God bless you.